Very responsive. Crazy.
So I actually wasn't going to vlog today, but then I got in my car and we're on the way to the beach and I was like, you know what, I am going to vlog today and take you guys along on like my kind of like my reset day, because today is Monday, which is the first day of like my weekend, because I work Friday, Saturday, Sundays usually, or like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. During the week is actually my weekend. So on Mondays it's like my big reset day. So I do like all my groceries and all my chores and like errands and stuff. And I thought that it'd be fun to take you guys along for the ride because, yeah, why not? And then later on this afternoon, I'm actually going to head down to the Gold Coast. So yeah, that is my plan for today. Where are we going, guys? Are we going to go to the beach? Are we going to the beach? Are we going to the beach? Bubba loves the beach. Bubba loves screaming out of the waves at the beach, don't you, buddy? Yeah. Stunning. Do you reckon it's stunning? Hey? Hey? I cut a little hole in here so we can do like a little filming hole. Thank you guys for waiting. Thank you for waiting. Yum. Good job. Thanks for waiting, Baba. Mwah. I just found so many. Look how fresh these are. Like they just bloomed. Oh my god, you're so excited for them. Hang on. Let me put you in your cage first. Hey? Today is definitely a 2 iced coffee kind of day. I try and like limit my Starbucks like once a week because it's like $7. So this is my Starbucks day today. I decided because I was just feeling like really irritable and like tired, probably because I just came off night shift, and this guy, I was trying to merge and this guy just like wouldn't let me in, and I like full raged at him. Like I never usually like get like road rage anymore, but I was like honking and I gave him the finger because I was like, dude, just let me in. Like I need to turn, let me the fuck in. And he just ignored me and I just fucking I just went off. So yeah, anyway, I'm at Spotlight. I'm gonna get some new sheets because I only have like flannel sheets and it is way too hot for flannel sheets at the moment. So I'm gonna go buy some new sheets, and apparently they're having a sale because they text me and they said they're having 50% off. So let's go do it. So I ended up getting these ones just because my king bed is like really big and my sheets always like slip up. So I thought Mega King would work. So I got these, got to the car, sat in the car, and then was like, you know what? Actually, I am going to go back and get this, which was like the last one there. It's by some clearance. It's usually $200. I was looking at this in winter, at the start of the winter, because I was like, oh my God, it's so beautiful. Like I'm obsessed with it. But it was $200 and I was like, I can't justify it. And now it's $60. So hell yes. That literally took me so long to decide. Like I think I was in there for like half an hour just like walking up and down like the 3 aisles being like, what do I want? What do I want? I don't know. I really wanted the bamboo cotton sheets, but unfortunately there was none left in the color that I wanted because I can't do like light colors. It has to be dark because I fake tan all the time. So if I have white sheets, they turn orange. And I was like, I'm not spending like $200 on bamboo cotton sheets for them to turn orange. So I didn't get any bamboo cotton. I just got normal cotton, which is quite breathable. So it should be fine for summer. Bro, what the hell? Second day of spring. It's ridiculous. Thank you. This is the worst fucking gyros that I've ever seen. Dude.
Watch out, crash reported ahead.
Alright, that was gonna be late, but that's literally the Bodywork in front of me. We just came in at the exact same time. I was stressing so hard. There was actually 2 crashes on the highway. That was insane. Ooh, that feel good. Scratched and like. Okay.
Sides. This is not work. It's like typical to the degree. Like,
Is it from the head? Yeah, okay. Okay.
very responsive. Crazy.
Yeah, he's a really chill horse. Like. Stop walking forward, dude. Okay, it's your emotional support rope. He doesn't usually do that, actually.
He doesn't?
Not with the rope. I seen him do it like once.
You can tell he's bracing a lot less.
Just a kangaroo.